In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your Fiverr gig in a very easy way. If you've been looking for straightforward steps to effectively share your services with a broader audience, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to Fiverr and log into your account. Once you're on the platform, look towards the top of your screen and locate My Business in the navigation bar. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu where you'll find an option labeled Gigs. This is your gateway to managing and promoting the services you offer. Now, within the Gigs section, all of your existing gigs are displayed. Choose the particular gig you want to promote by clicking on it. This action will take you to a page dedicated to your selected gig. It's important to ensure your gig stands out, so click on the Edit button to start optimizing your gig's presentation. Optimization is key. Begin by reviewing the overview of your gig. This includes your title, category, and the tags associated with it. Ensure everything accurately reflects the service you provide and is appealing to potential buyers. Next, switch over to the Pricing tab. Here, you'll want to verify that your pricing tiers are competitive and clearly defined. It's beneficial to strike a balance between attractiveness and profitability for your work. Now let's move on to the Description tab. A compelling and thorough description will effectively inform your audience about what you offer. Make sure it's clear, concise, and showcases your unique selling proposition. Additionally, don't forget to check through the other tabs for any specifics about your gig. Once everything is reviewed and you've made your improvements, click the Save button to ensure all your changes are intact. This optimization step is crucial as it sets a strong foundation for promoting your gig effectively. After saving, navigate back to your gig's main page. You will find a small drop-down menu on the right-hand side. Clicking this will give you several options, including Share. Select this option to start the sharing process. Fiverr provides several platforms you can directly share your gig to, such as social media sites. This is a great way to tap into broader audiences who may be interested in your services. However, if you prefer a more targeted approach or have other marketing strategies in mind, Fiverr also allows you to simply copy the link to your gig. You can then share this link across different platforms where you engage with your target audience or use it as part of your existing promotional efforts. By following these simple steps, you can effectively promote your gig on Fiverr, reaching more potential buyers and enhancing your visibility on the platform. Following through on these actions regularly will help maintain a strong presence, keeping your services fresh in the minds of potential clients. Thanks for watching, and best of luck promoting your Fiverr gig.